Over here. There you go. Yeah, see, it's your brother.
Sit down.
No. Sit. There you go. Oh, it's like, what was that? Yeah. What is that, huh?
He's just interested in all the smells.
Yeah. He's been looking at it the whole time. Yeah. Lay down. Lay down.
Ooh.
There we go. Where are you?
I know. He's like huffing the pad.
What is that, huh? What is that? I'm gonna have to trim his nails.
Yeah.
Jeez. Yeah.
Gus is like
Yeah.
not even paying attention to him. He's just wanting to
Mark's sitting
smell.
mad, huh? I consider that a good intro.